Welcome to Vadodara Institute of Engineering. Today we are going to learn random forest model for the machine learning in Veka software. Using this, we are finding the efficiency of particular model. Select the Explorer, then choose the dataset. So for the dataset, select the option Open File. Now see this one. For uploading the particular dataset, you have to keep the dataset into the document. Here, select the file type as a all. I am going to use the iris dataset in the CSV format. So select iris dataset, open it. Now you can see after selecting iris dataset, we can see the graph of the attributes. So there are the 4 attributes in the dataset: sepal length, sepal width, petal length and petal width. Now the first visualization, that is for the sepal length. So you can see this one is for the sepal length. Now if we select sepal width, so this one is for the sepal width. Similarly, we can see for the petal length and petal width. So these 4 attributes are in the dataset. Now here I am going to show you the iris dataset. Now you can see this one in the iris dataset. The first attribute is sepal length, second one is sepal width, third one is petal length and fourth one is petal width. And based on these 4 parameters, the name of the species are given in the dataset. So first species, that is Setosa. Next is versicolor, and last one is virginica. Now we are going to see how to find the efficiency in Veka software for this particular random forest model. So for the random forest model, for selecting the random forest model, select classifier. From the classifier, we have to choose random forest. Select the trees, and in the trees the model is there random forest. So select the random forest. So when you select the random forest, you can see this one. Now you can see this one. From the classifier, I have select random forest classifier. For the cross validation, the number of fold I am going to use are 10. The percentage split is 66%. After that, when we simulate this random forest model on iris dataset, you can see this one. The efficiency of the model is 95.33. So out of 150 parameter from the dataset, if I am going to use random forest model. It has 143 correctly classified, and the 7 out of the data set, the 7 are the wrongly classified. So based on this one, the efficiency of the model is 95.33. The remaining all parameters are kappa statistic is 0.93, that is the kappa value, mean absolute error, root mean square error, relative absolute error of the model is 9.13 on the particular data set. And in the last you can see this one, in data set I have used 150, so here the total number of instances are 150. The next one, that is what about the accuracy report. So that is true positive, false positive, precision, recall, F measure, ROC area, and last one, that is confusion matrix. So you can see this one in the diagonal value that represent the correctly classified species, and the remaining value, that is this 4 and 3, that is incorrectly classified by the model. So in the versicolor, the wrong predictions are 3, and in Virginica, the 4 predictions are wrongly classified. So by using the Veka software, if we perform the random forest model, the efficiency for correctly identified species is 95.33. Thank you.